Teen grind, how you living? It's Kid with the Kid. I'm back with another reaction video for right two. It's Birds of Parade Trailer 2. You found my channel first time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share it on social medias. Follow my Instagram at DeundreHudson underscore. Leave a comment down below. Let me know when we see right to the next man. Shout out to all the Shaolin ninjas out there. I also have a CashApp for donate to the channel. Help the channel out. Link is for the description below. As you see, Teen grind, I got a goatee now. Why? Because I turned heel. Witness the rise of a villain. Speaking of villains, we got Birds of Prey. I don't know too much about the Birds of Prey. I don't even know who all's in it. I forgot. Only one I know was in it is Harley Quinn. Isn't Cassandra Cain supposed to be in it? I don't remember. I'm sorry. I never read the Birds of Prey comics, but I heard that. I heard about the Birds of Prey plenty of times. I don't know who all is gonna be in supposed to be in the Birds of Prey, but enough of me talking. Let's get to the video.
Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one. Ah, shit. I told this all wrong. Quick history lesson.
Got that.
This all started when the Joker and I broke up. It was completely mutual. And soon enough, I was back on my feet, ready to embrace the fierce goddess within. It's so quiet. Now that I cut ties with Mr. J, I'm about to learn that a lot of people want me dead. All alone. And at the top of that list is this guy. And so peaceful. But it turns out that wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation. You fall in love. He's after all of us. The kid just robbed him. You betrayed him. You killed his BFF.
What?
You are so cool. You never. And you're dumb enough to be building a case against him. So, unless we all want to die very unpleasant deaths, we're gonna have to work together.
Sure.
Psychologically speaking, vengeance rarely brings the catharsis we hope for. Yeah. Are we ready? You blow up fuse. Devil cuts loose. So what's the use? Woo!
Turn it up!
Sky kicks in. Devil cuts loose. Blow your fuse. When you fall in love.
Oh shit, is that a hyena in a bathtub?
I named him Bruce after that hunky Wayne guy.
Okay, they're not called. Well, he's not Bud or Lou in this one. He's Bruce Wayne, apparently. Oh, this is like that one comic book where Harley Quinn had a crush on Batman, and she went on date with Bruce Wayne. Well, she didn't know that she paid go on date with Bruce Wayne. Wait, but then again, that wasn't canon. I'm reading too much of this. Well, that's the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share it on social media. Remember, every season's grind season. Underground takeover, man. Let's get it. Also, I know there's Black Canary and Huntress. And Cassandra Cain was in there. I forgot about Huntress and Black Canary. Okay, now that's the end of the video.